Hey guys, and welcome back to Reagan's Reading Corner. Today I'll be reading Wheels on the Bus by Sylvie Kantorowicz Wickstrom. Let's get into the video. Hey guys, today I'll be reading Wheels on the Bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round. Round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all around the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish all around the town. The driver on the bus goes, move on back, move on back, move on back. The driver on the bus goes, move on back all around the town. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down all around the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep all around the town. The baby on the bus goes wah, 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 wah. The baby on the bus goes wah, wah, wah all around the town. The parents on the bus go shush, 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 shush. Shush, shush, shush. The parents on the bus go shush, shush, shush all around the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all around the town. I hope you guys enjoyed Wheels on the Bus by Sylvie Kantorowicz Wickstrom, and I'll see you guys next time on Reagan's Reading Corner. Bye. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe down below.